Lopez High School in Rio Grande is now a no-phone zone thanks to a new program. The school's principal says teachers were spending too much time telling students to put their phones away. So now students have to place their phones in a small pouch and lock it up. Teachers are noticing the benefits of the new program across campus.
What we have found with this is that students, just the opposite. They're more focused, they're more productive, they're less agitated or distracted.
Some students at the high school say they focus better as a result of the no phone rule. Lopez High School is contracted to carry out the program for the next 5 years.